Making an online trivia quiz is easier than ever with Quizmaker.com. Add questions and scoring. From the quiz type dropdown, we selected Trivia/Marked. Hit Add Question and now select Multiple Choice. For our first question, we typed, "When did the Titanic sink?" and then hit the image icon to upload a picture of the Titanic. Enter each of your possible answers and tick Correct Answer on the correct answer. You can also hit the image icon if you want to offer image answers. We wanted our quiz to look visually engaging for students, so we changed the look and feel of the quiz. Hit the Themes tab at the top of the Quizmaker. Browse the list of themes and select your preference by clicking on the theme. Now hit Preview at the bottom of the Quizmaker to see what your quiz looks like. Share with Respondents. Your quiz is now set to go and will automatically score respondents. Hit the Share tab at the top of the Quizmaker and you'll be presented with a couple of ways to share your quiz with respondents. If you haven't already created a free account, you should do so in order to view your respondents' results. Get started making your own quiz today at Quizmaker.com.